again. It's a rich thing.
What's going on, fam? So welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you're a viewing community, do subscribe, turn on the notifications. This is the video you guys have been waiting for, and we're gonna do it in details for you guys with the owner of this Accord. Make sure you follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna put it right up here. Follow him, and we're gonna go ahead and start with the car, see what he got. Let's go with the V4s first though. And then he's got the reflectors lights in the bottom. Alright, you could like that now. And good, man. What about the spoiler you got?
Oh man,
What about the spoiler?
So I got this
Carbon fiber?
I got this, yes, carbon fiber. I got it on eBay.
Yep.
Pretty nice, not really hard to install. Just gotta watch for the holes in the
Yeah,
in
the
the trunk.
two holes, right? So you
Yeah.
put vinyl here
I
too.
put vinyl there to block it off, and
Okay.
another to block it off. There's also holes in the middle part.
Yeah,
So if you have Gorilla Tape,
yeah.
you can cover it all up just to prevent any water from going
Awesome.
inside during the winter and stuff like
And
that.
then you got the V4s installed, and you got the reflectors installed, and that's also the rear side skirts you got, right? And then
Yeah.
a lot of you guys were having trouble with this V210 T10 diffuser. You guys having a hard time installing it because there's a spot here. We temporarily put this back on because we're gonna change this exhaust tips. The video's coming next, so I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it and what the issue you guys are running into. There's like a metal piece with the car itself by the tips area, and you have to cut some of it, but I'll show you guys what you have to cut in the next video. So be patient, wait a couple days, and I'll help you guys install this easily and in a really good way, so don't damage your own, the one that you already have. Otherwise you're gonna have to wait 2-3 weeks to get the new one. So we'll go ahead on let me show you how it looks though. And yes, and also the brake light also works in the rear. See right there? Yep. We'll go on this side. Alright, so you got the gas tank cover, right? Also on eBay? Also on eBay, right?
Yeah,
This one?
This was also on eBay.
Got you. So they can find it there. This one, talk about this.
This was also a carbon fiber vinyl wrap. It's also on
Is it
eBay.
pre-cut?
It's pre-cut. It's
Oh,
pre-cut.
that's nice. So
You
it
can
comes
just put it in.
pre-cut, guys. So you guys could do it. You guys could do it yourself. And same thing, I know.
Same thing.
It's also on eBay. You can find it. And it goes on all four sides. And talk about the wheels. What made you get these wheels?
These? I
Yeah,
wanted to go up on 20s. I felt like the Accord looks better on 20s.
20-inch wheels.
20-inch wheels.
And
I
yeah,
think it's
what brand?
these are Aldan.
There you go. And you use the same lug nuts, or
With the stock ones?
I mean this one? They came with it.
They came with it. Yeah.
Also, these came with it, right?
They come with a lock.
And they came with a lock
They
too.
came with a lock. So I
Nice.
think the lock goes to one of these right here. So this is the lock
Oh,
right
that's the
here.
lock. Yeah, I see
And
it.
then the rest are just,
Yeah, and then how much did it cost?
These
Yeah.
with the tires. I got them from EUDM.
What is it?
EUDM Auto Spots.
EUDM?
Yeah, they're in Queens. They hooked me up with everything for about 1,600 with the tires.
1,600 with tires,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, with the tires.
We got these massive tires, so they're 20-inch wheels, and we'll put the link in the description below for where you can get them. And also in the back you got what, caliper covers? Where?
MGP caliper covers.
MGP.
You can get them from the MGP.
Oh, we'll put the link in the description
Yeah.
for this too.
It's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, so that's, and then you don't have spacers, right?
No, I don't have spaces.
So yeah,
They
you
come like
them.
that.
So, and then you got the mud flaps in the back, and then the fenders. Where you find this?
This off
Yeah.
eBay.
eBay as well. So
Yeah.
what do you call fenders?
Yeah,
Side-
I searched for what fender covers.
Fender.
Pretty
Yeah.
much,
Search
and then
up fender covers, guys. You'll find it.
Yeah.
And then these wheels are flush. So that's what I like about them. They don't need spacers. They come right out. See that? I showed in a few videos. They look really nice. They flush. They get flushed. They come out just a little bit out, and it's really nice. So, rear skirts in the bottom.
Yeah. So these side skirts in the bottom, I didn't want to go the long route.
Yeah.
The small one. Got them off eBay
Because
also.
you might step on it too there when you come out the car. Yep. And what tint you got? What percentage tint that is?
It's 35 all around.
35% all around?
All around,
That's
yeah.
nice. Even the front, right?
Even the headlights, yeah.
Even the front?
Even the front too. Everything.
Nice, and then you got the covers. And then he's got a roof. Gloss black, vivid.
Yeah.
That's nice. And then as we go, alright, what'd you do in the front?
That in the front?
Yeah.
A couple of things. This,
Alright,
these
that's
are
nice.
the grill covers.
Yeah.
I got them off eBay, carbon fiber.
Yep.
This, it's a cover that goes on your logo.
Oh, it's a cover.
It's
nice.
a cover that goes on the emblem. I got it from Nadelux Auto.
It goes right on top of it without
It goes
even
right on, yeah, right on
without
top
taking
of the
off.
stock one. Yeah, it just goes on top of it, and it's just.
It goes on top of the
like
stock one. All right, that's nice.
So I got those two. I got the.
Where'd you get this from?
This Nadelux Auto. I'll give you the link. So yeah.
We'll put the link in the description,
Yeah.
guys. Make your life easy.
We got the headlights tinted.
Headlights tinted 35.
35%. Yep.
Sheesh.
I know.
So mine is 50% then. Yep. And the bottom?
In the bottom we got this what do I call it? Eyelash.
It's like a fog light, you know, grill, whatever.
Cover, eyelash.
Cover or grill, you'll
Pretty
find
much.
it there.
It's on eBay.
It also comes with like a small piece here
Small piece. Yeah, yeah.
with like fins, but some people don't like it, some people do. So he didn't want it there. It'll be too much, I guess.
Yeah.
He likes it like that. It's clean look, so I like it. And then also, this is also on eBay. Free shout out to them, I guess. Where else can we find car parts? And then this is nice too. This lip is really nice. I'm getting this in gloss black for sure. It's not plain. It's really nice. It actually comes out. And the same thing is done on this side. Yeah, the same thing is done. And then let's go to the interior. Well, why don't you start the car so they hear what exhaust you got?
I got the thermal RD.
Thermal R&D. That's
front
it.
pipe
No front.
exhaust.
Do you have front pipe or down pipe?
It says front pipe. I don't have down pipe.
It's a
Thermal
pretty
RD
much.
says front pipe, but it really doesn't. Have
Okay, so we'll go ahead for the cold start.
All right.
Nice. Put it in sport mode, bro.
Yep.
And then give it like 2 revs. Alright. Oh, we got a small pop. Nice. Nice. Alright, so as we go inside, let me show you the back row first. What's in the back?
In the back.
You got these right on 1UP lighting.
Yeah, we got these are XK Glow lights.
Okay, so they're
these are
from
lights
somewhere
from XK Glow. This carbon fiber piece here, it's a cover. I got it from eBay.
Yeah.
Pretty much. That's it for the door. Let me turn on the lights so you see how
Okay, that's dope.
they work. Because
Wanna
it has
turn
an
it on?
application on your phone,
Okay.
right? It comes up with like 4 zones really.
Nice.
So you have to have like 4 controllers for each door.
Each is like
so it's-
$50, right?
Yeah, $44. Don't go too high. It's
44.
44. And once you turn
Plus
them
tax 50,
right, yeah, like this.
Alright.
And once you turn them on,
Oh, I see. So you have
everything
separate
turns off.
controllers, I see.
So yeah, but they're all in sync. The
Got it,
controllers
all in
are in
sync.
sync, and
Yep.
you could just go here and you
Yeah.
could do whatever, man.
Nice.
You could do whatever.
That is
Alright.
dope.
Yeah, pretty much.
And
We
yeah,
got
they're gonna have to remove the whole panel to get
Yeah, they
To
gotta
get-
remove
to install
get
this.
in, yeah,
and get the wiring
probably
run.
gonna drill a little hole.
Yeah.
Probably gonna drill a little hole down here.
Yes.
Wire it up to the window
the windows,
controller.
right? Got
Yeah.
you, so they light up. But yeah, guys, that's an expensive route. But either way, if you guys want to, go ahead. But 1UP lighting actually has the foot lights, right?
Yeah.
For like
one
30.
of lighting has a footwell lighting.
Yeah, they have
But I
the
got
foot
the
light.
I got the Govee lights for my floors. I didn't get from 1UP lighting.
Yeah,
I don't know. I didn't check out 1UP lighting. That's
got
why.
you.
I just got the
What about the
Govee
mat?
But,
You have
but they work nice.
all weather,
mat, I
all
got
weather
them from-
mats?
the all weather mats they came with the car.
Alright, and then the Honda
The
mats.
Honda
what
mats,
about
the
these mats?
diamond stitch mats,
Yeah.
I got those on eBay.
Got it.
And I
And
like them
then
'cause
and then what about the seats? Red?
Cat skins, man. Cat skins does the upholstery.
Nice.
Yeah.
That looks nice. My bad.
Alright.
Let's move up.
Okay.
You go ahead, sit, man. I'm gonna go sit on the
On the other side,
passenger side,
Yeah.
bro.
Oh yeah.
Yo, Hash, you can come in the back seat,
Yeah.
so you learn, so you know too.
I'm trying to see the front.
No, come in the back seat so you can learn or see. All right, so you got it here,
Yep.
and then You got it all here.
So
This is one-up lighting,
one
right?
up lighting, yes, because it's brighter and it's longer. So I needed it on the whole thing, and I wanted
that's nice.
this whole design that goes over the
And it
gauge
goes all the
cluster.
way over, right?
Yeah, it goes
and
all the way to this end. Let me close it
and
up.
Yeah, it comes down all the
Comes
way,
down all
and
the way.
it comes all the way into here.
Into here too. It's all set up into the
Gotcha.
armrest. All right.
And put the hand sanitizer inside way. Aside. All right, so this is also panels, carbon fiber. It's glossy, it's really nice, so you can't like really. It's not vinyl, it's like cover, so it's good. It's glossy, it's got like a clear shield on it. Same thing on that, and then on the sides. And then he's got this today. It looks really nice. Look at that. That's 3M, right?
Yeah, that's 3M. It's solid. It comes with an adhesive promoter. So you
Oh,
can
nice.
clean it
Yeah,
up
that thing
before
is nice. You can't even tell if it was.
It's just, yeah.
It's like it came with it.
It's flushed, yeah.
I guess hook me up with a link for this too.
Yeah, put a link in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to see that. And that's the foot lighting, guys. This, if one-up lighting will give you this, I forgot how much it is. I think it's 70 or 80. But when you add the foot lighting with it, it's $30 more. So it's around 109. And you only get this and that. That's what I plan on getting for myself. But this is expensive for me. I'm not doing that.
The doors are expensive.
It's like you got money, you go ahead, do it. But yeah, we'll go. What's the module though?
The module.
Let me show
yeah.
this first.
This is
Alright,
the
so
mirror.
this is the mirror. This is,
They have different brands for these. Either one could work. We got a whole bunch of them on Amazon. So that's Hash in the back. Opening up his trunk. You could go to return.
You could do both, right?
Yeah,
you got both.
you have a whole navigation system.
Nice, and it records while you park.
Yeah, whilst you park, at night also, and it's hooked up to the fuse box, so it
sensors,
always has power. Anyway, it just goes into sleep mode once you turn off the car. You
got you.
show it. I'll show it later on.
Yeah,
But yeah, it has an app list. You have YouTube, Google Play. I downloaded Spotify. I did that from the App Store. I downloaded Waze. Yeah, Waze works here too.
So this is connected to your phone, or is on it?
No, it's like a phone in there.
It's a phone in there.
It has a GPS right here.
And they got a file where you could, so you click on that to download other apps, right? Gotcha.
So it's got a GPS right about here.
With
That works with the Waze.
And what's that in the front?
This is for Viper.
That's the Viper
It's remote start
and
GPS.
GPS.
I'll show that later on. Remote start and everything.
Gotcha.
So yeah, it's pretty good. Once you turn off the car, let me turn off the car for a second.
All right.
A few seconds, it is gonna go into sleep mode itself. See?
Nice.
So in 9 seconds, it goes into sleep mode, and then it saves power, so it can just record at night.
Gotcha. Yeah, I can turn it back on.
Turn it back on.
And the wheel, you got the same thing. Covers for the carbon fiber.
Yep.
And this is a cover, right?
Yeah, this is a steering wheel cover.
Yeah,
so
it
carbon fiber.
Brushed in.
There you go.
And then you got extended paddle shifters.
Paddle shifter covers, yeah. Those I got off eBay.
That's all metal right there.
Yeah. And it comes with a little
really
screws just to fit on top of it.
That's
Everything
nice.
else here is from eBay. This came with the emblem covers.
Okay.
So normally this set comes with
So the back one came with it too?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It comes with, it's a 3 set.
How much is it? Do you remember?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Nah,
I gotta
it's fine,
check.
it's
We'll
fine.
check later on. But it wasn't too expensive.
Yeah.
So this whole set normally comes with one that goes around here, but I didn't
Yeah.
like that. I took that out. I just put on the emblem
Nice.
cover. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this part.
Gotcha. And then where's the module?
The module, it's right.
Yeah, this is what you guys wanted. Netflix
It's right
and
down
YouTube.
here.
How much was this?
This it's about from MLife. It's about, they charge you like $300 to install it, but I think I found the same module on AliExpress. I could share the link. I don't know for sure if that one is gonna work, but it looks the same and it serves the same function. I'd suggest that's about like $200. I'd suggest going that route. Pretty much.
You just plug it into CarPlay?
Yeah, it's like a USB.
You just plug it in. Is there a setup for it?
It goes into, no, I don't think it's not set up because I factory data reset my system before I even put it in.
Okay, so there's no setup.
So there's no setup.
So you just plug in, play?
Plug and play, yeah.
But what about when you're watching YouTube and?
Yeah, it takes a few minutes to.
Yeah,
like, almost like a few seconds to boot up. Just gotta wait for that. Oh, there it's coming up.
Okay.
There you go. So
Nice.
it says hello. It says hi to you.
Nice. You need to change this though.
I know, right? You gotta get
Too
them in
white,
white, right?
white.
You ever worked on these before, man?
Yeah, these are so 5-minute work, bro. I got you. I'll send you the
All right,
link.
so it's in, right? I don't have my
Alright, so
hotspot
it's
here,
in.
so I connected it up to my phone.
Okay.
So
So
you
you
go to
connected-
settings, and it's
Nice.
up to my phone. So there's a home button here.
I see it.
That's Siri or whatever. Everything is there.
Siri and a home button. That's so weird. You couldn't see in the camera.
Right? Oh no, it's not Siri, it's Google. But yeah.
Google.
Yeah.
Look, that. You can't even see it in the phone. Look.
Really?
Look. Let me focus on it.
Nah, reduce the brightness.
Oh, there it is. Now you can
Yeah,
see it.
There you go. There you go. You can see
So
it.
there you go. Google voice, right? And that home button.
Google. And I downloaded Waze for it. I don't have the GPS for this, so I don't use Waze on it much. The one I saw on AliExpress, though, it comes with a GPS option, so that's
Nice.
fine. So we
That's
got
how you-
YouTube.
Nice.
Yeah, this is connected to my phone, so the internet is not fast enough for the Netflix and stuff. If I have my hotspot here, it would have been
Oh,
different.
if you have a hotspot or something, guys, like
Yeah.
with your phone network, it'll be T-Mobile, AT&T, whatever Verizon hotspots. You keep one here in the bottom. Then you can connect that with this, and you'll be watching Netflix or YouTube
Yeah.
while you're running GPS on the phone. On the
T-Mobile
stand
knows
here.
the new year brings big news.
I'm not giving them a hell no.
iPhone 12 with 5G
You're
on
not
the
giving them an
contract.
ad, right?
Hell no.
No, right?
That's nice.
See? Oh, so it's actually working fast with my phone.
Yeah,
It's good.
that's good. Oh, before we go to copyright, yo, pause that, bro. How you doing?
That's
There you go.
fine.
All right,
That's
so
fine.
that's that.
It's that. That's YouTube. Let's go to Netflix.
There you go, guys. Look at this.
It's like a little iPhone and
Netflix.
iPhone Android phone right there.
Yeah. And then you can watch Netflix on this.
Yeah, you could chill, watch whatever. I watch anime on it a
That's
lot.
dope. It loads up. And then you just choose your
You choose what you want to watch.
yeah, you just choose whatever you want to watch, and that's it. You just play, and that's it. It's done.
Let's just put on some. I don't know. What is this? An anime?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's hope my phone is fast enough today.
Yeah, he's using his phone hotspot right now instead of an actual hotspot device that you could get from your
Provider.
wired
pretty much,
provider. So it's still good,
Yeah. Still good. It's just slower.
a little bit. Yeah, before it was really fast. But anyways, that's the thing,
Yeah,
guys.
that's the thing for
yeah,
it.
that's how you use it. So
Works. All right.
that's about it. Subscribe and definitely follow him. His IG is in the description below, and also I mentioned in the video before. Make sure you watch the whole video because now you would know all the details. If anything, hit him up on DM. Follow him and DM to him if you have any questions about this build up or modifications. Everything he got. All right, stay tuned, guys. Peace out. All right, and I forgot to show you guys here. I also installed Underglow for him. Perfect. I still light outside so you guys can still see Underglow. It's pretty. There's some trash there, but whatever. We'll get rid of it later. It looks really nice. Underglows are on. Look at that. Let me see the other colors, bro.
For the Underglow?
Yeah. That's red.
White.
Nice.
Favorite?
Oh yeah. Which one did you have in the beginning? Blue?
This one?
Yeah, alright. That's the beginning, yeah. Okay. Oh, put the teal then. I guess that was teal. Yeah, there you go. That's it? Yeah.
I think so.
And then it's nice when you can mesh the interior with it. That's it. Alright guys. Peace out.